Hello everyone and welcome to Pathshala. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find hidden toolbar, formula bar, scroll bar, horizontal slide bar and sheet tabs. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. You can see that I have opened a Excel file and everything is hidden here in this file. There is no toolbar, there is no formula bar or slide bar, scroll bar or sheet tabs. I will show you how to get them back. So what you will have to do, go to file, go to options, select advanced, and inside the advanced tab you will find those options. Scroll down a bit. After scrolling a bit, you can see that there is an option for show formula bar and it's unchecked. You have to check this. Then if you go down a little bit further, you can see that show horizontal scroll bar, show vertical scroll bar and show sheet tabs are unchecked. You have to check them. And if you hit OK, you can see that the formula bar appeared, scroll bar, horizontal slide bar and sheet tabs all are appeared here, but the toolbar is missing. So to get toolbar, you just have to click on any toolbar section and it will automatically open the toolbar here. And you can see that after clicking in the sheet tabs, it's getting hidden again. So to stick that formula bar, you have to click on this pin here in the bottom right corner. You will find a pin. If you click on that pin, this toolbar will be fixed here. So this is it. This is how you can get back hidden toolbar, formula bar, scroll bar, slide bar and sheet tabs. Thank you for watching this. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.